The next tag we have is embed tag. What does it mean? If you want to include any video into your project from another source like YouTube, or another source that you want any video from YouTube or another source to your project, so you can use embed tag for that. So let's see how we can use that. First, we need to create our file, and we need to create new file, and youtube-embed.html, and for that you need to write exclamation mark and enter the file, and you can have your file like this: YouTube we embed video. So you need to write your code over here. So what you can do, that the best practice is to first create any div or divide the page, and later on you can apply your styling over here, and then you need to write your embed tag. You can also write embed like this. This embed will create a source and type. So if we visit the YouTube, it will automatically provide the embed, so we don't need to write embed for that. So I have already searched a video which is that we can create to embed in our project. So for that you need to visit any page, any video on YouTube, and you need to come here and share the video and embed. Click on embed. Now you have this iframe. Using this iframe you can embed your video. So this iframe will enable this video into your project. So there are some parameters that you can set for to embed your video. For that you need if you want to start video from the specific time, means you don't want to start your video from 0, so you can also write your video like start from 20000 and 2. So what you can do, that if you play this video, it will be automatically started from the 2, okay, 2 time, and from 1 to this is the minutes, from second minutes. And you can also show it, so you can say that you can control this video. You can increase the quality of the video. You can also visit the YouTube and increase the audio and video. You can also hide the controls from the player, and if you play this, you cannot control this video anymore. So you can use this to your project without controls. If you want to add control, you can also click on this. This will automatically generate another iframe. And so what you need to do, you need to double click on this and copy this, and you need to come to your project and paste over here. So this is how you can include your video into your project. So you need to copy and save the file, copy the file, and come over here and paste this. So you can see that this is the video that you have included into your project, and this you can play this, you can increase and decrease. And more, what you can do, you need to come and set some parameters for that. For that you need to create some width and height, and I want to set this to 800 and also this to 600, height into 600. Save this file and refresh the page, so you can see that. I can also set this to the width to 1500. So what I can do, so you can see that I can do this, and I can also do some more stuff. Okay, so with using iframe you can embed this video. Okay, so the next interesting stuff that we can do with HTML5, that is iframe. And iframe, using iframe we can embed a Google map into our project. So most of the projects in HTML5, or you want to use any work on any portfolio website, So if you want to mention your office address, so you need to use this Google Map for that. So how we can do that? Let's see. So you need to come over here and create the file, like a new file, Google Map.html, and create the skeleton for that. Google Map. And what you need to do, you need to come here and create a div. Inside the div we will embed the Google Map. You need to come to googlemap.com, maps.google.com. You need to search any city. So for that you need to search that Dubai, and it will redirect you to Dubai. You need to select any area. Let's do this as a satellite view. So this is Palm Jumeirah, and I want to go to any beach. Okay, so this is how that I can do that. What I need to do, I'm selecting this area. Okay, so I'm selecting this area, and I will share, and I will come here to embed this map, and I need to copy this path. And I need to come to my project and paste this path. So let's save this file and copy the path. Come here, and you need to come to your project. So you can see that this is the project, and this is the map that you have chosen. So what I can do, that I can also zoom this, I can also decrease the map. So I can increase this to the whole page. So how we can do that? For that I need to come here and I need to select the size. For the width I need to select 1200, and for the height I need to select 1200 too. Let's save the file and refresh the page. So I need to decrease this to height to 800 and width to 1500. Save the file and refresh the page so I can see a better view. Okay, so now we have, if I 1700, and I again refresh the file, so I can see that this is the full width of my map. So I can see the map. So what I need to do, I need to press control, and I need to use my cursor to zoom in and zoom out. So I can go to somewhere. So this is how we can embed our Google Map into our project.